Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to cover how we can set up a company online in local market or in mainland area. So let's start it without any delay. So first of all, we have to see what is our business activity. If our business activity is something into trading or services, we have to categorize the license type. So first of all, we have to decide what is our business activity and who will be the owner or shareholder of the company. So first step, we have to create an online account on the IID portal, which is Invest in Dubai. For that, we must have a email ID and a valid Dubai mobile number. Through the OTP, we can register the account for any person, individual person, any nationality. So once we make an account, we have to log in and we will go to the start a business and where we will submit the details. So here first of all we have to verify the account. Verify the account, the person must have his original passport while doing this online verification, which we call the passport verification, or he have another option of uploading his picture, holding his passport and submitting in the portal. There are two ways of verifying the account. Then the next step would be applying for the initial approval or submitting the application for the approval. Once we submit the documents for the pre-approval, or we can say initial approval or security approval, generally it takes 2 to 3 working days. Sometimes it depends upon the client nationality. It can be approved in a 5 minutes or it can be approved within a 4 to 5 working days, which is maximum time period. So once we approve the person account, the next step would be finalizing or searching the right business activity for your license. So you can find it in the portal itself and you can just put the activity code and you will choose the activity accordingly. Afterwards, you have to apply for a name reservation. You can check any English or Arabic name. If you are going for an English name, definitely you have to pay a 2000 additional fees, which will come in the license payment voucher. Or if you want to opt for any Arabic name without paying any additional fees, you can go for a normal Arabic name. And if you want to go for any prime or global, international, any digits number, then there is additional fees for that, which is we call the prime name, and DD charge 3000 approximately for that kind of name. After that, we have to go for a next step, which is legal type. Legal type, we have options like if you are a single person and you want to have 100% ownership, then you can go for a single owner LLC, which will be 100% your ownership and you will be the only owner in the company. But if you are more than one partner or there are multiple partners, then you can go for a normal LLC and you will add every person's account and connect to the IIT portal. So that become a bit difficult because you have to make separate account for all the multiple partners. After selecting the legal type, we have to find a business license. We have to choose the right license. If our activity is trading, we have to go for a commercial. If it's service, we have to go for a professional. So for that, we have to be very careful while submitting the application. Apart from that, we have to submit more details, which is UBO filing, and this is very popular nowadays. Every free zone, every mainland authority asks this question: who is the ultimate beneficiary owner of the company? So we have to provide like is it a branch company or a new entity or a subsidiary company? So who is the UBO? So for that, we have to provide, if it's an individual, we will providing individual information. If it's a corporate, we will be submitting a company's parent company's document and the information. Once we submit the UBO, and the next question will come up: do you want to appoint any representative or you want to give any power of attorney? So you have option to fill this application. Further, they ask another questions like what will be the source of fund. If you are opening a company, how you will be starting your business. You will be taking the money from your home country or any business in UAE, or it's a saving. So you have to choose accordingly. Plus they ask the bank account also in your home country. So this is overall about the IID portal application. Now the next step comes once you fill up all the application carefully. You have to be very careful while you filling up the application, because if you put any wrong information, there is no option editing or rectifying, so it will be rejected. So while submitting the application, you have to be very careful. That's why we advise you to go for a corporate service provider who can make your work easy, and they are professional and experienced. They can help you better way rather than you do yourself. And now we will cover what are the required documents when you are making an application online on IID portal. So basically you need few documents, which in the original passport you need if you are verifying your account. you need your home country address, you need your email ID, phone number, plus you need a office lease agreement, and you need a UBO details and your company, your personal bank account or company bank account, which will show what is the source of fund. So these are the in general requirement when we are opening a company virtually in mainland. After submitting all this application of initial approval, name reservation, the next step will be coming of finalizing your office space, where you have to put your office space details, which can be like what is the office number, which is the area, what are the Makani number, all these details you have to mention in the application. After submitting this application, you will see there is an invoice generated, which is system generated basically, and you have to make the payment of that invoice, which is start from approximately 11,000. Subject it depends, like if you choose English name, it will increase the cost of more than 2,000, and it will add up the cost of 2,000 and 11,000. Plus if it's the more partners, then the cost will be also increased. Further, it depends upon the business activity. If it's a trading, the cost will be higher. If it's a service, the cost will be less. So these are some, we can say, factors which decide the cost, and the most important factor is the 5% of market fees. So when we are choosing the Izari or virtual office lease agreement, so what is the rent? Suppose our rent is 20,000 dirham, a hypothetical case. In this case, 5% of 20,000, 1,000 will be adding in the invoice. So this is like how these cost system generated invoice comes up, and we have to pay this fees. Once we make the payment, the license will be issued, or you can download from the IID portal itself. So this is overall how you can set up your company online completely without coming to UAE. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any question related to business setup, company formation, feel free to contact us at below given details. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.